everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some beautifully fried golden Cajun crispy fish. Now I have some whitings here, and the first thing I do, now because I had them in the freezer, usually when I take out frozen fish, what I do is I put it in some water after I wash it. And then I add some salt and milk to it. I can't remember, but I learned the thing about the milk a long time ago. I think it takes away if there's any fishiness or anything. So then I just had these soaking in this milk for about an hour. So I'm just gonna let the water run until the milk runs out, until the milky color runs out. So I just wash that bowl out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put them in this bowl, put them back in the bowl. And start seasoning. So I'm just gonna take some hot sauce. You can use whatever kind of hot sauce you like. Use some garlic powder. I'm just going to rub it in and distribute it. Oh, I'm going to probably have to do more because I don't want to break the fish up. Okay, next I'm going to make my seasoning, my flour and cornmeal seasoning. Do not let the fish sit inside of the flour mixture because it'll get soggy. After you put it in the flour, you have to get it into the oil right away. And it doesn't need to cook for long. Look, golden brown already and crispy. Yeah, just really make sure your oil gets really hot. I can smell that lemon zest and everything. Watch how crispy it comes out. Now I put 4 in the pan, but I only should have put 3 because this one over here is not getting as crispy as fast. However, I was trying to hurry up and get it done because I have so much fish, but I don't think I'm going to do that again. Now you have to check the other side to make sure it's not getting overcooked. Now it's just about done. See how golden crispy that is? Look at this one. Super crispy. I'm just putting it on a plate to drain it on some paper towels. Now you have to watch your fish. You can't just walk away. Now for the next batch, you let the oil sit for a few minutes so that it can become hot enough again. Once your oil has gotten hot again, and you can do the sizzle test again. You gotta go in with your next batch. Here comes the big boy. You have to make sure it's coated on all sides. Now this one, you're going to have to cook a little longer. It's a red snapper. I think it's just about ready to turn over. Yeah, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to have to press it down because the oil is not high enough, but that's okay. And it's split a little bit right there, so it's going to cook faster anyway. So here is the red snapper. Crispy and delicious.